Aloha, Sci256. Welcome to week 2. Yes, week 2. All right, so this week you've survived week 1. That's good. I am working on reviewing your items, so please be on the lookout for the points that you've earned. If you have any questions, of course, reach out to me. All right. So this week functions the same way as the previous week. Got your main discussion due on Thursday, your 2 replies to either myself or your classmates due by Monday. This week you have a fun PowerPoint. We're going to be talking about food. Food is fun. Food is important. We all need food, right? Right. So what you're going to be doing is creating a narrated PowerPoint or a video, your choice, talking about a favorite dish of yours. All right, I've expanded this a little bit. So a favorite dish of yours, and you're going to be tracking the ingredients from their source to your plate. So if it's cows, if it's pigs, if it's chickens, from where they're born to where they're raised, usually not the same place, to different feedlots, and then to the slaughterhouses, and all the way to your plate. And you're going to be looking at the environmental impacts of all those areas, okay, of your favorite dish, that ingredient, along with the other ingredients that are in there. But your primary concern is your primary protein. Please include a slide or 2 on the veggies, all right, that are involved in this, or if it's noodles and rice, where is it grown? How is it grown? How does it get to your plate? Okay, all of that. This has to be comprehensive. Okay, that is why this PowerPoint is so long, because it really does require you to be detailed. All right. Now, PowerPoints. This may be the first time that you've had a PowerPoint. PowerPoints are not some kind of weird thing that you can Frankenstein a paper into, okay? PowerPoints are not just that, okay? PowerPoints, the best way to think about them is story time for adults, okay? So just like when you read to kids, you read them the story and you show them the pictures, right? Right. Now, for adults, PowerPoints, it's the same thing, all right? You are there narrating and telling a story. The PowerPoint slide is there to provide a visual. It's the picture from the storybook, okay? That's why not a lot of text goes on there, okay? Because if you put a lot of text, everybody's just gonna be like, and completely ignoring you, okay? Because they're gonna try to read it. The amount of text on there is bare minimum. Just kind of give us the ideas of what that slide is about. And the picture is supposed to be very relevant to what you're talking about. So don't just put on anything. The pictures are relevant to what you're talking about, okay? So 1 picture per slide. All of your details go into the speaker's notes, okay? You can basically write that as a transcription of your presentation down in there, okay? So if you want, then you do the narration on top of that, okay? Or the video, but the content is the same. For your references, a final reference slide, or you can, if you're doing a video, just append the references into the note section in the grade book, or a separate Word file is totally fine. APA. If you have another preferred format, go for it. Otherwise, default to APA. Okay? I'm not married to APA. Just pick a style, appropriate style, use it. Okay? So again, this is a lot of fun. Now, I've changed the directions. If you put in a favorite dish, it's 1 slide or 30 seconds, okay? So not a lot of time as to why this is your favorite dish, but again, focusing on the environmental impacts of the ingredients. If you do not have a favorite dish, I've provided you 2 options, and so you can choose one of those. I have also provided a link. I've uploaded my own PowerPoint presentation That's kind of what it's supposed to look like, basically. All right, so there's a format for you to, if you've never done one of these, that's what I'm looking for. Again, not a lot of text on the screen, very minimal, no complete sentences. Let me repeat that, no complete sentences on your screen, okay? So just a couple bullet points, and then again, you're the one telling the story, and that slide is just there to reinforce, the image on that slide is just there to reinforce what you're telling in that particular section. Okay? So, if you have any questions, let me know. All right? Keep up the good work. Cheers.